Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm uploading a Pixel Gun 3D video, and in fact this is my first ever Pixel Gun 3D video, and I'm going to be doing a couple of crate or box openings, whatever you want to call them, and soon I'll be able to get this really good chest here that can give some pretty good things in them, and I'll make a video when I get that on opening that. Now, and let's open this last crate. Also, I want to apologize for not uploading recently. I haven't been uploading recently, which I'm very sorry about. So I just wanted to apologize real quickly. And here we go with the king chest that takes the most time to get. Let's see what we can get from here. 55 coins. That's a lot of coins. 1 item remaining. 30 card keys, and let's see what we can get. Token doublers, 5 parts, and 5 gallery coupons. That's not bad. I would have taken just the parts. Here, I'll open this up here. Craft. We have so many items now. Here, I have 40 to these, which I had beforehand. Now I have 28 to the Hitman Exoskeleton. I cannot say that correctly. 23 to this. 18 to this. 13 to this here. And 8 to this here. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll make more Pixel Gun 3D videos if you guys want. Guys and girls, if you guys want me to do that, just comment below more Pixel Gun and I will do that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!